everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 13th to the 17th of June 2022 on Monday. A polygraph test seems to be a looming reality for the grade 8. Old lovers turned enemy become lovers again when a kiss seals the deal. On Tuesday, principal is on a mission to get the polygraph done before something bad happened to her. Old lovers agree on how to move forward with their fleeing. Chef Khwezi unsuccessfully tries to worm himself back into Eunice's flat on Wednesday. Mr. DeSando takes a hard decision against one of TEF High long-standing employees. Drunk from love, Lehasa decides to forgive an enemy in crime. On Thursday, a screaming match ensues in the Homo house when principal confronts Mr. Homo about the setup. Wu Matlatse finally confers to Alfred about the prank. Khwezi overhears a conversation that threatens to ruin a looming marriage on Friday. Sile is annoyed when Alfred airs their dirty laundry at the hospital. Pretty confront Lehasa about his looming nuptial to Khwezi. Managa lifted the grade 8 suspension. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.